Assalamu alaikum. How's it going, guys? My name is Tab. You're watching Mr. Shorter. Hope you guys all well. Jaldi because Zaki's assembly is getting a certificate for excellent achievement. Exactly, I don't know what for. So I'm hurrying to that. Jaldi. And then after this, I've got to go and give a blood test as well. So I'm out of breath already. So let's hope I'm on time. Let's go. So I'm just getting back from the school, and Zaki got a writing progress award, which is fantastic. I'm just going to cover up the school if I can, and give you a little glimpse. But yeah, fantastic award. The thing is that before he leaves to school, if I'm at home, he'll come up to me and we'll have a little chat before he goes to school. And today, unfortunately, we can't have that chat. So I think I was a little bit disappointed, but hopefully I think I've made it up to him. We've had a little hour, have a little secret chat, and I think he'll have an amazing day today. Here we go, guys. So this is the certificate that Zaki received. As you can see, Zaki Ola. Well, I never know about Toro's Steakhouse opening. And then we've got something else opening called Cabeda Palace. Crazy. This area is getting renovated quick style. So that area is all solicitors. And this area here that we're walking on, at one time used to build designer shops on this before they knocked it down. Used to be V2, one of the ones I remember. There were some others, I can't remember now. I remember a haircut that used to be on the corner called Mojo's. Used to go there quite a bit. Now I'm here for my blood test, guys, and I've been given a number, 22, and the same is roughly about 35 in this weight. And at the moment they want me a number 10. So it's a bit crap, but hopefully try to get this through. Yeah, so it's a bit of a wait. Oh, look at my hair. And the Johnny, or Dana is in already. We're getting closer to number 22. We're 18 right now. So, blood test is done. Wait for results till next week. The thing is, when you get to a certain age, you need to have an MOT on your body. Just make sure everything's okay. So they check everything. So that's the reason why I'm having this blood test, just to make sure everything's working. You know, have that service, that MOT. So great, yeah. And I hope everything's okay, inshallah. So now, got a few more things to do, and then Zain has a dentist appointment today as well. So here we have a Saffron Street, guys. Not seen that one before. So that lady over there in that car, that grey one, she thought I was taking a picture of her car. Do I look like a bloody traffic warden? Crazy people out here. So there's quite a few new places that have been popping up, food-wise. I think food is just going crazy. Wherever you go, into the mall or whatever place, at traffic centre, the food courts are always busy. And that street's got a few new places. So you've got that Street Saffron, you've got Toro's, and then you've got that Cabeda place right across. I bet there's some more around there. Definitely. But definitely to try those after Ramadan. Let's show you my war wounds, guys. War wounds. It's going to be painful when I take it off, because all the hair is going to stick to it and it's going to pull my hair. Last duty of the day is getting Zain to his dentist appointment. So I've cut up the jalapenos. I've shredded the chicken, and now it's time to add this mascarpone or any cream cheese that you can find into the jalapenos. So that's what I'm going to do now, guys. Put this into the jalapeno, if I can get the damn opened. Added jalapenos, I've added the cheese cream, I've added 2 scoops of these, 2 big scoops, and I've added some peri sauce. I've added half a bottle of that. So all that needs now is some mixing. I'm going to put the chicken in first, then give it a good mix, bring everything together. This video is a disaster, to be honest with you. I was mixing this up with all the cream and the Nando sauce and the jalapenos, and I forgot to press record. And then to this, you're going to add your chicken, guys. I'm going to be using this puff pastry from Morrison's, and it's got no alcohol in it, guys. So the other ones, which one is it? The branded ones, can't remember the name now, very popular brand. They've got alcohol in it. I checked in which other shop as well. Lidl, they've got alcohol. Their branded ones got alcohol in as well. So, but yeah, Morrison's is the one to buy, and they do non-alcoholic. So this is how it is. don't worry that guys, आज दे वन सवनिया डिशें बनिया भी ने my wife making something else, I'm making something else, so yeah अब यही पसंदीदा ने डिशें. So my wife made the kebabs, she's making the masala what she had before for that, and I've just done something else. But yeah, it's going to be a good one. So Ramadan is the only time when we try to experiment with different food. But it's a good one. It's definitely a good one, guys. So this one is still in the oven. Let's just see, still cooking away. Don't know how long it's going to be, but you need to have it on the gas block 6 or 7, it's up to you. So I'm just going to let it cook slowly because the chicken needs to cook a little bit as well. Other than that, guys, I can't wait for this. I can't wait. Guys, this is what the pastries look like at the moment. The ones that I just put in. Well done. These bad boys look amazing. And smell wise, can't smell it at the moment. I can just smell the what do you call it, the pastry. But overall, they look amazing. There are some just maybe a little bit more overdone. But other than that, I think they look great. I opened 47 today, and today's menu, let's see. Here we have kebabs, fish and chips, and we've got a naan kebab, I think, what do you call it, a naan in a, sorry not naan, keema naan in a wrap, tortilla wrap. And then we've got some pastries that were made today. So, and then I don't know where this come from. This has come from someone's house. But yeah. So here we go. We got chips, fish. Well, this was keema in a tortilla wrap, so like keema naan, kebab, my pastry, my missus pastry. But yeah, that's all today. Guys, enjoy your iftari, just like I am gonna enjoy mine. And inshallah I will see you hopefully tomorrow's vlog. And yeah, keep watching and get everyone to subscribe. And hopefully inshallah
we need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our